What's the best thing you've ever eaten?
Kinton ramen pork spicy noodles with garlic.
What's the worst thing?
Um, Leftover cooked chicken heart.
What's
I
the
had it
worst?
yesterday.
What's
I had it
the,
last night. I was like, oh, this is not good at all.
very fresh. What's the worst job you've ever had?
Delivering singing telegrams for Sending the Clowns in Kingston for over a year, but I had a free card.
Weapon of choice.
Halberd.
Favorite insult.
Motherfucker.
Worst thing anyone's called you.
Motherfucker.
Morning or night?
Right.
Booze, hard or soft?
A little bit of soft and then ease your way into the hard like a old man slipping in the warm bath.
Worst place you've ever slept?
Hardwood floor.
Last spontaneous thing you did?
This 5 questions.
Tattoos?
0.
Favorite injury?
Torn post-cruciate ligament in my left knee, which was undiagnosed for 6 weeks while I was doing a Broadway show.
Craziest thing you've ever done?
Solo bulldozer.
What was that?
Backhoe. A backhoe.
You stole?
Solo backhoe.
Any phobias?
I can't stand on the glass floor at the CN Tower, but I think that might just be a bit for attention.
What makes you happy?
New episode of Walking Dead or X-Files.
What pisses you off?
Rerun of X-Files.
What makes you a go-getter?
Devil may care attitude. I'm a cocky-eyed optimist.
Nice. That's it.